So when I was interviewed by the employer, sabi niya sa akin, you're very accurate in sa spontaneous daw ako magsalit, magaling daw yung English command ko. Tinanong niya ako, honestly, talagang trabaho mo. At that time, pag-uwi kong Pilipinas, nagko-call center.
Oh.
Sabi ko, actually, sir, nagko-call sa call center. Ako, good. Sabi niya, papaalisin kita with a housekeeping visa, but I will apply you as a clerk in the hospital. If you will pass. Yun ang sabi niya sa akin. So, nung dumating ako, dito, nag-start na ako lang yung sinet aside. Lahat ng kasabay ko is housekeeping. Ako yung dinalaan nila ako. Pinag-exam ako. Manual nila ako ng typing. Aba, okay. So, nakapasa ako. So, hindi ako nakapag-housekeeping. Directly, nag-clerk ako.
Alam mo ako, Sherwin, naniniwala ako talaga eh. Yung whatever we're doing right now, this is our training for tomorrow. Katulad niyan, you are applying for a housekeeping. And then, yung ginawa mong mga training sa BPO, no? You've been in a call center, you're speaking English, you're typing.
Kaya nga.
It serves as a training ground para magamit mo dito sa next job mo.